It's my dinner. Wow, yummy. Fried fish with salad. Leftover lentil soup. It's hot, mainit-init. With rice is life. Okay, let's eat. Guys, ito yung salad ko, guys. Oh. Yan. Nilagyan ko siya ng soy sauce, guys. Ayan. With vinegar and cucumber, onion, tomato. Yeah. Parang sausawan. Ayan. Masarap gid, guys. So, kain tayo. Ito muna. Mainit-init. Sarap to sausawan mo, guys. Magkamay na lang ako kumain. Crunchy ito, guys. Yung fried fish ko, guys. Sausaw natin dito. Yan. Ginawa ko yung salad na mayroong sausawan. Kasi, crunchy ito. Nilagyan ko siya ng egg. Pag prito ko, guys, din sausaw ko muna sa may itlog. Tapos i-fry. Crunchy. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng salad ko. With sausawan. Okay. Pusin ko na ito ang dinner ko. Yummy, yummy food.